I dropped the blade. I pushed the snow. I dropped the blade. I pushed the snow. Whee! Snow being pushed. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but overtime is so delightful. And since I had nowhere else better to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. As I drive my truck back and forth, pushing the snow with my blade, I'm thinking about all the money on overtime that I just made. Oh, when the snow's finally over, and I ran out of words to say. All right, that's enough of that. All right, 7, 8, 9, 2 minutes. Push the snow! Back the truck, push the snow!